let me jump again to show you a little bit about our page, because right now we have a web page that is limited. We changed with the concept. It used to be YFU Finance, but right now, as it's jumping to Anime Limited, we have new things, and this is a sneak peek about the web page. I will come back to the token because it's the way where you could get rewards, where you could get within the pools, get that kind of NFTs after you stake some kind of your. Sorry, I lost the words. Make your stakes, get your holds, get your participation within the pool. You are always working with the token, with the waifu token. Even that we are changing with the Animators Limited, that's the community, that's the brand, that's where you get know to the concept. You will be still taking waifus. So here's our new webpage. This is just a sneak peek. You will be see this soon. But if you right now get into the webpage, waifu.finance, it's another one, but it's already open. You could jump within different social parts, the Twitter, Medium, and different pages, or even you could jump within the actual founding spot. Let me cover in a quick way, just to have some kind of idea. What would you have here? Remember that it's related to the e-wallet, and you could link it really easy with the MetaMask one, if you have used that. The important thing, the active pools, where you could make your stakes and get your rewards. How you get your rewards? Making this kind of stake, the 50-50, but it's really, really easy. Instead of thinking about all the process, all the gas, if you know about the crypto market, that it takes to one transaction to another, is hard. It takes time, and not only time, Ethereum, and that converts to dollars. Dollar is money, and well, we don't want to spend that much and making all those clicks.